Hey y'all, so today we're going to be doing a magic part install on my beautiful client. What that is it's kind of like an invisible part but sew in, but it will not be any glue. I won't be doing like the little itty bitty tracks like I do with the quick weave. I'll basically be building this part up. I want to show you the technique on here, but the end result is so beautiful. You get to use your own natural part, and yeah, you don't have to have all that glue. You can still get a part. You can wear this hairstyle if you're natural, if you're relaxed, like it doesn't matter. And you get the benefits of having to put all your hair up and out the way and not have to use all those other measures that we take to create natural looking parts. So what I'm doing now is creating the base for the magic part install. I won't be talking through this video, you guys, so you can just sit back and watch as I'll style her hair, and the end result is so beautiful, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. install. There is no glue, no closure was used. We didn't sew it in. It wasn't crochet. So if you can figure out the mystery, let me know in the comments on how I did this. So yeah, come see me. I'm in Dallas, Texas. You can order hair from my website at www.hairbymika.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. See you guys later.